Good morning, dear students. Here is your video for 17th April 2020. Till yesterday, we discussed about the nucleus of the cell. We have already discussed about the cell membrane, about the cell wall. Now, after that, we discussed about the difference between the plant cell and animal cell. Why? Because cell wall is present only in plants, not in animals. Cell wall is also present in some lower organisms like fungi. So, and then I also told you about evolution, how from a single cell the organisms have come up. And I gave you a video also which was just an animation of how from a single cell the organisms have come up. After that, we discussed about the cytoplasm. The cell membrane bounds a certain fluid which we call the protoplasm, and this was discovered by Purkinje. This we had discussed right in the beginning of the chapter. Now, if we remove the cytoplasm, what is left is nucleoplasm, that is bound inside the nuclear membrane where the chromosomes or the chromatin material is present. Now, we know the cell wall, we know the cell membrane, we know the nucleus. Now we also know the cytoplasm, that is the fluid present inside the membrane. In the cytoplasm are suspended various cell organelles. Now what are these cell organelles? You all have an idea of the cell organelles. It includes your endoplasmic reticulum, it includes your Golgi complexes, it includes your lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, chloroplasts, vesicles, then dictyosomes. All these are present inside the cytoplasm. So if you can make a point, these are the organelles present in the cytoplasm. The endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, mitochondria, chloroplasts, ribosomes, centrosomes, vacuoles, vesicles. So among these different cell organelles, we will first discuss about the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is present in the cell and it connects the nuclear membrane and the cell membrane. So it is connected right from the cell membrane till the nuclear membrane. Let's look into its structure. If you see over here, this is the nuclear membrane. From the nuclear membrane, the endoplasmic reticulum is extended up to the cell membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum is the largest cell organelles of the eukaryotic cells. They are not present in the prokaryotic cells, and in plant cells they are towards the side with the nucleus, and in case of animals, because the nucleus is centrally located, they are also present from the nuclear membrane to the cell membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. One is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the other is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In the rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are attached to its outer surface, whereas ribosomes, when they are absent, the endoplasmic reticulum is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum are sites for protein synthesis, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum are site for lipid synthesis. Both of the rough and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum also help in cell membrane synthesis. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has a function of detoxification of toxins in the liver cells of vertebrates. Because the endoplasmic reticulum is spread almost throughout the cell, they are like a carrier of proteins or messages from one end to the other end of the cell. They help in carrying, see, the rough endoplasmic reticulums, they synthesize the proteins, and these proteins can be carried to the desired location with the help of the vesicles of the endoplasmic reticulum. The lipids and proteins synthesized by the rough endoplasmic and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum also help in formation of the cell membrane. The formation of the cell membrane is known as membrane biogenesis. Other than that, they also prepare enzymes and hormones that can be transported through the vesicles again to different parts of the cell, or also outside the cell to an adjacent cell. So the formation of enzymes and hormones, which are also types of proteins, are happening in the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum helps in channelizing these proteins to their destination. The endoplasmic reticulum, since it's spread throughout the cell, right from the nuclear membrane to the cell membrane, it also gives an internal support to the whole cell. It helps in distribution of proteins, it helps in sending messages, and it is also controlling the protein synthesis in the cell. So it is a very important cell organelle which the cell have. There is no cell which is not having an endoplasmic reticulum. All the cells have, eukaryotic cells have endoplasmic reticulum present in them. To sum up, the endoplasmic reticulum is a network of interconnecting membranes distributed throughout the cytoplasm. The internal compartment called lumen is separate part of the cell with a distinct protein and ion composition. The endoplasmic reticulum foldings generate surface area much greater than that of plasma membrane. At certain site, endoplasmic reticulum membrane is continuous with the outer nuclear envelope. Depending upon the presence or absence of ribosomes on the surface, there are two types: rough, characterized by presence of ribosomes; smooth, which are devoid of ribosome on its surface. Functions, if we see, protein synthesis, rough endoplasmic reticulum is a site of protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in lipid synthesis, and proteins and lipids synthesized are used for making cell membrane. It helps in transport of intercellular and intracellular transport of substances, that is, substances are being transferred within the cells and also outside the cell. It gives internal support to the cytoplasm, and this smooth endoplasmic reticulum in liver cells take part in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. And here is difference between the rough and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent. In rough, ribosomes are present. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lipids and steroids are synthesized. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, proteins are synthesized. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum formed of vesicles and tubules, and rough endoplasmic reticulum are formed by cisternae.